What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we're going to talk about the AMZ Doge. Okay, it's been a minute since last time I spoke about this project, but it's still up and running. And damn, this thing is printing nice and easy. Okay, so you can earn from 1.5% all the way to 3% daily. Okay, and I've got some really good news. Okay, so let's go over to the TG and let's see what's up. So as you can see right here, if you are familiar with the New York Times Square, you can see that. Let's play these pictures. You can see the AMZ Doge advertised on NASDAQ. Okay, you can see some pictures. There you go. Beautiful.
AMZ Doge is the most stable and safe quantitative trading platform. Magic Dog is the best toy for healthy appreciation you deserve to have. Welcome to use Magic Dog.
And you can see this guy talking about AMZ Doge. We don't even know what this guy is, but we can see in the background the ad right there. Okay, so that's big news. That's bullish. Okay, that just shows that the team, the team is doing lots of things behind the scenes to expose the project and get more and more traction. Bear in mind, guys, this project is quite old. Okay, it's been around for quite some time, and it's still doing its thing. Okay, and also, you know, we can see that a lot of newspaper talked about AMZ Doge. So Finance Yahoo, News Yahoo, Berita Yahoo, UK News, French News, Spain News, all over. Bloomberg News, all over. It's all over, okay, guys? So this is big, okay? And by the way, guys, this movie right here is a really nice movie. It's Eddie Murphy. It's comedy. You will like it. So it's on Netflix right now. Right. And new thing is, you got a new function. Okay, we have a new function where if you sign in for 7 days, you will get a 30-day magic dog. If you sign in for 15 days in total, you will get a 30 days dog. Supposed to be a bit more over here, but for some reason it's 30 days still. And if you sign in for 30 days in total, you can get a 90-day magic dog. So how this works? Over here we have the sign in function. Okay, come over here to the sign in. I signed in yesterday. I'm not sure if it's going to count today. So let's see. So check in now. And check in successfully. Okay. So as you can see, you have signed in 2 days. Okay. So over here we got the punch rules. Okay. And how you can get a free dog. So essentially, so once you sign in for 7 days straight, you will get a 30 days dog. Okay, so the magic dog, instead of for you paying for that dog, which costs you 10 bucks, okay, if you sign in every day, you will get a dog for free, so you'll save 10 bucks. Okay, or if you sign in for 30 days straight, you will save 29 bucks because you will get this dog for 90 days. Okay, so the dog is used to make trades. Okay, so once you got your dog, you come over here, select the plan that you want to go. It goes from 2 hours all the way to 15 days. The plan that I'm personally using is the 24 hours plan, because what I've been doing is compound. Okay, so initially I was on the 3-day plan and then jumped on 15-day plan, which was a big mistake. Okay, guys, because you don't get to compound. You get a big chunk of your profits, but you don't get to compound. Whereas 24 hours plan, you compound your rewards and your investment will grow. Okay, if you come over here to my strategy, you can see that I have a working plan. It will expire today in a few hours. So let's what's going on here? Let me just probably refresh the page. Okay, you can see that I have working plan, and every 2 hours you can come over here, click on the working plan, and this will pop up. And then if you click over here, it will give you some rewards. There you go, 14 cents rewards. Okay, so this plan will expire today, 12/13. Okay, so once the plan expires, I'll be able to reinvest. And over here you can see the details and how my stake has been growing. Okay, so I've been staking every 24 hours and compound the interest so I can earn more and more. And essentially that's just how it works, guys. It takes a few minutes, probably 2-3 minutes per day to make these trades. So what happens is, let me just open one finished one. What happens is, so when you make your investment, so for example this one, the bot will do arbitrage tradings. Okay, so we can see the investment amounts. You can see the total income from the 24-hour trades. Okay, you can see the platform income. So this is the fee. Okay, so after the fee, your personal income will be this one right here. Scrolling further down, you can see, excuse me, where the money was invested. And if you click on details, you can see the earnings. Okay, profits and losses. And AVAX, damn, AVAX is nearly 21 bucks. Is doing super well. Okay, that's why you see like more earnings on AVAX, because AVAX is doing really, really well. Okay, and basically that's it, guys. Those are the news in regards to AMZ Doge. Okay, and the cool thing about this project is you don't have to lock your funds for 30 days, 100 days, or whatever. Okay, guys, so as soon as your plan expire, all your funds, so as soon as this plan expire, all these funds will go straight to my balance. I don't have to click anywhere. Okay, as soon as this hits 100%, this amount plus my passive income, my rewards from this the trades will go straight to my balance. And what do I do next? I will come over here and roll for another 24 hours. And that's my strategy. That's what I've been doing to grow my investment. Okay, so all the links gonna be down in the description, guys. This is gonna be a referral link. If you want to join under my referral link, I'll appreciate that. If not, it's okay anyway. I'm just here to give you updates about my crypto journey. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.